बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला है। फायर एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल सेफ्टी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फायर सेफ्टी। मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। Which of the following activities are considered as hot work? Cutting, welding, grinding ferrous metals. All above are considered as hot work. The elements of the fire triangles are heat, oxygen, and fuel. The acronym for the proper use of a fire extinguisher is PASS. PASS. When extinguishing a fire, you should maintain an away distance of at least 6 meters. In case of fire, we should rescue those people who are in immediate danger. When extinguishing the fire, you should turn your face always to the south. Wood, plastic and paper are classified as Class A fire. When an alarm sounds, what should I do? Use the elevator. Which of the following fire extinguisher is used to put out Class A fire? Water. Which factor is not relevant in the event of an emergency? Who your fire wardens are? Which mechanism is not a way to transfer heat? Radiation, convection and conduction are the ways to transfer heat, but the fusible link is not a way of transfer heat. How to put the fire out? Not by cooling, not by starvation. Smothering. By smothering, you can put the fire out. Electricity. Some basic terminology. First one is current. A current is the continuous movement of electrons past a given point. The unit of current or current measures in amperes. Resistance. When the movement of electrons along a conductor meet with some opposition, this is known as resistance. The unit of resistance is ohm. Always use caution when working near electricity. Electricity is the flow of electrons around a circuit. Unqualified workers have little or no training working on or near electricity. Electricity hazards include shock, electrical arcs and blasts, and broken or faulty equipments. Power is a measurement of how much energy you are using each second. Avoid working in wet conditions. Inspect all electrical equipments before use. Grounding gives a stray current somewhere to go and keeps worker from becoming part of that circuit. Double insulated tools are encased in plastic and prevent the user from getting electrocuted if the tool develops a short circuit. Specially designed PPE personal protection equipment for electrical work includes rubber insulating gloves, matting, blankets and covers. Fire extinguisher. A carbon dioxide extinguisher is rated for class B and C fires. On which of the following types of surfaces should a class A fire extinguisher not be used? Class A fire extinguisher should not be used for electrical equipments. Which type of fire extinguisher system is most commonly used to protect areas containing valuable equipment such as data processing rooms, telecommunications switches, and process control rooms? Hose extinguisher systems. Which class of fire extinguisher should you use on electrical energized fires? Class C. The acronym PASS used for fire extinguisher operations stands for pull, aim, squeeze, and sweep. On which of the following types of surfaces should a class B fire extinguisher not be used? For oil. The most extinguisher found in service today is water extinguisher. An APW, which is also known as water extinguisher, is safety on an electrical fire? No, it is not safe for electrical fire. Which type of fire extinguisher has a large black plastic horn on the end of a flexible house or a short rigid pipe? Carbon dioxide CO2 fire extinguisher has a large black plastic horn on the end of a flexible house or a short rigid pipe. As a general rule, you should not attempt to fight a fire that is spreading rapidly. True, it is true, and you should not attempt. ABC type dry chemical fire extinguisher fire by cooling it down. It's true. A class C fire extinguisher is designed to be used on the following fires. Class C fire extinguisher is used for electrical equipment, so the option toaster and circuit breakers are more suitable. Where should you aim a fire extinguisher nozzle when putting out a fire? At the base of the fire. When you discover a fire, you should use a fire extinguisher to put out the fire, even if you have never used a fire extinguisher before. Multiple purpose dry chemical extinguisher are effective on all classes except D and K fires. True. Arc flash or arc blast. 80% of electrical injuries and fatalities, means deaths among qualified workers, are caused by an arc flash. This is the statistics provide us on the site Bureau of Labor Statistics. Activities with high potential for exposure to arc flash includes troubleshooting of live circuits, opening or closing circuits, and grounding circuits. These all options from A to C are correct. Potential arc flash causes may include uninsulated tool contact with a live conductor, loose wire connections, accidental contact with live conductors. To be continued, inshallah ta'ala, we will continue this one in the next session. Allah Hafiz.